Thank you so much, Andrew. Well, tonight we're hearing from the health department, the Shelby County Health Department, about the dangerous chemical from the Sterilization Services of Tennessee facility in South Memphis. Now, we've reported that many people say that a chemical is contributing to medical issues, even cancer, because of that facility.
In a new statement, the health department says it's conducting studies to assess the risks to the public. The department says it has also requested the Tennessee Department of Health Cancer Registry to conduct a study of the area near the plant. Those results would be released to the public once complete. Meetings would also be held with people who live in the area about health screenings and treatment resources. And people who live within a half-mile of the plant say they're waiting for the health department to step in sooner rather than later.
Fox 13's Kayla Solomon talked to more people who live in that area today.
Some people who live in South Memphis say this cancer study is overdue. And although the Environmental Protection Agency is now involved, it could take up to 3 years for something to be done.
I mean, I have an issue now of going outside.
I have bronchitis, and I can't hardly breathe that time. And my sinus are all messed up. Come outside, my eyes get watery.
For people living in South Memphis, some say they've experienced decades of respiratory problems and what they describe as odd smells.
I mean, who wants to be outside knowing that this chemical is being released in the air and nobody's doing anything about it?
One group that is trying to help is the Memphis Community Against Pollution, or MCAP. Angela Johnson is the director of outreach. She says they sent a letter to the Shelby County Health Department.
So the purpose of the letter was to the Shelby County Health Department, asking that the Shelby County Health Officer use his emergency powers to have the Sterilization Services of Tennessee cease operations or discontinue their use of ethylene oxide.
The Environmental Protection Agency has learned that ethylene oxide is linked to high cancer rates. The agency says ethylene oxide is 60 times more toxic in children and 30 times more toxic in adults than originally thought. For some of the people living here, the timeline of action is not moving quick enough.
It doesn't matter. It's hurting all of us. So do something about it. Don't give them permits. You know that they are doing it. Stop the permits. Let them move.
A presentation by the health department is expected next month. Coming up at 10, I'll tell you what else the EPA had to say about the facility in a presentation for City Council in January.